Hey guys, welcome to the channel. Today we are going to make this model in SolidWorks. We are going to use this drawing sheet as our reference for the model. To start, draw a circle of 110 mm diameter on the top plane. Create a new part from here, then come to the sketch plane and draw a circle on the top plane of 110 mm diameter. Make sure you click on for construction. One hundred and ten mm. Now click on polygon and draw an 8-sided polygon from here. Keep the point of the polygon right to the z-axis, perpendicular to the z-axis. Keep the dimension to the polygon as 100. So this is an octagon with 100 mm diameter, 100 mm distance from here. Then draw a reference line that intersects the midpoint of this side and stretch it to the outer circle. Convert it to reference or for construction. Then make sure this line is in relationship with this side's midpoint. Click on coincident. Now go to semicircle, click on center point arc and draw an arc of radius 5 mm. Click on smart dimensions, radius of 5 mm. Click on this arc and this circle and give a relationship of tangency. Now click on line, draw a perpendicular or a vertical line that touches this side. Again draw a vertical line that touches this side. Now click on a circle. As you can see, it is the diameter of 5 mm. So from this point of this arc, draw a circle of 2.5 mm radius. So the diameter will be 5 mm. Now click on circular sketch pattern. Give the number of patterns as 8. The rotating direction will be of this circle. Click on entities to pattern will be this arc, this line, and this circle. So our circular sketch pattern will be created. Now we have to draw offset of 5 mm from this edge up to this edge. So to do that, go to offset entities, select this reverse the direction and enter 5 mm. Click OK. So the total sketch offsets will be of around 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this is 1. Again go, again create a sketch offset of 5 mm. Give this direction as inside. This is 2. Again select offset. Again give direction of inside. This is 3. Again select direction. Again select the line and go to the offset entities. Create an offset of 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 1 more, 2 more offsets has to be created, and the last one now. Go to offset, create an offset. Now the last offset is of 10 mm, as you can see here. So we will create an offset of 10 mm for the final one. Again click on offset, enter the value as 10. Now we have our stepping that is need to be created. We will extrude this stepping once the sketch is done and all the primary sketch entities are drawn. So now we have to also draw this smaller circle of 5.5 mm diameter, which are around 8 in here. So to do that, let's draw a circle here into our sketch plane. As you can see, this is the point. We will draw a line, a reference line, which will act as our reference, and also select this line as for construction. Now click on circle and draw a circle from the midpoint of 5.5 mm diameter. Go to Smart Dimensions. Give this as 5.5 mm. Click OK. Now we have to create a circular sketch pattern of this circle. Keep the number as 8, number of instances. Select entities to pattern as this circle. We have our circular pattern now on the top plane. Click on OK. Click Exit Sketch. Make sure you save this file. I have to add this dimension which I forgot to add it previously in the sketch. So to do that, go and edit this sketch. Now you remove this midpoint constraint or the relation, then go to Smart Dimension, click on origin and this circle and give it the dimension of 11.75 mm. So now we have all the circles at accurate distance. Click on OK, exit the sketch. Now we will create this stepping for the model, which is at the increment of 5.5 mm and goes up to 35 mm. So to do that, first we have to understand that these circles are hollow, or these are holes. These all 8 circles and this octagon is a hole. So while extruding it, we have to keep that in mind and likewise select the geometry. So to do that, go to Extrude Boss, click on this, go to Selected Contour and Clear section, keep the face to the normal and select all these. Make sure you unselect the thin feature. Select all these contours. It's better to select the closed region. It won't give you any errors. Also select these offsets and select this. This will automatically create holes wherever it is required. Make sure the dimension is 5 mm. Click on OK. In similar way, we will keep on creating stepping for the each offset. From the each offset, click on Sketch, create Extrude, then keep this as 10 mm. Go to Selected Contours and click on this sketch and remove these circles by selecting Control, or you can normally tap on them. As you can see, circles are made, or the holes are made accurately. Click on OK. Follow the same procedure for all the steps. Click on Sketch, Extrude Boss and Base, select the third offset and these circles. Sometimes it would be difficult to select a geometry, so zoom in to have a better view on the geometry and better selection. Click on OK. Click on Edit. Increase this by 5 mm. Make this as 15. Click on OK. Do the same procedure for rest of the steppings. Click on OK. Edit it. Make sure you select this as 25. Click on OK. So as you can see, our model is turning out to be pretty well. Again, select Sketch 2, click on Extrude, click on this, unselect all the circles, keep this as 25, click on OK. Edit this. 35, click on OK. Now again, click on sketch 2, extrude, click on this, keep this as 30, and select all the internal circles and this output on. Click on OK. And the last extrude is click on sketch 2, go to extrude and emboss, take it face to the normal side, select all these. Now change the dimension to 35 mm and click on OK. Now you can see our model is pretty much ready. Now we have to create these holes on the model. To do that, create a sketch on the bottom plane. Go to sketch, click on the bottom plane and click on sketch. Now draw a circle from this point to here of 15 mm diameter. This is the circle of 15 mm diameter and it is 30 mm from the origin. So click on Smart Dimensions, give this as 15 mm and the distance from the origin to the circle as 30. Now, according to the sketch, we need 4 of these circles. To do that, we will use circular sketch pattern, select the entity to pattern and instances as 4. We have 4 circles that will be extruded out as holes. Click on OK. Now, go to Features, click on Extruded Cut and extrude these up. You will see that our holes are pretty much ready. Now use the fillet command, keep the fillet radius as 1 and drag and select the whole model. Once the model is selected, make sure all the edges are selected properly and click on OK. It will take some time to compute and you will get 1 mm radius fillet on each of the edges. Now as you can see, our model is ready. Now we just have to change the appearance. To do that, turn on Real View Graphics if your system supports. Go to Materials, click on Edit Material and edit this material as galvanized steel. Click Apply. You can also edit the background scene by clicking on this. Go to Basic Scenes, go to Backdrop, select gray with overhead light or any of the backdrop you like. You can see we can see our model pretty nicely and it's done and looks pretty cool. If you have learned something, hit the thumbs up and subscribe to my channel.